100. General knowledge questions and answers. Who was the founder of Satya Shodak Samaj? Options: A. Jyotiba Phule, B. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, C. Mahadev Govind Ranade, D. Ramakrishna Bhandarkar. Answer: A. Jyotiba Phule. What was the original name of Dayananda Saraswati? Options: A. Malkudas, B. Mulshankara, C. Narendra, D. Dadu. Answer B. Mulshankara. Which of the following is not correct about Prardhana Samaj? Options: A. The Prardhana Samaj was founded in Bombay in 1867. B. The Prardhana Samaj was founded by Atmaram Panduranga. C. The main aim behind the establishment of the Prardhana Samaj was to make people believe in one God and worship by only one God. D. The society was against the widow remarriage. Answer D. The society was against the widow remarriage. Who is the author of the book Satyartha Prakash? Options: A. Dayananda Saraswati, B. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, C. Mahadev Govind Ranade, D. Ramakrishna Bhandarkar. Answer A. Dayananda Saraswati. Which of the following is not correct about Arya Samaj? Options: A. The Arya Samajists opposed child marriages and encouraged remarriage of widows. B. It was founded in 1875. C. Its main motive was to promote faith in one God. D. None of the above is correct. Answer D. None of the above is correct. Where was Narayana Guru born? Options: A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Bengal, D. Punjab. Answer A. Kerala. Which among the following kavya of Sanskrit deal with the court intrigues and access to power of Chandragupta Maurya? Options given: A. Mruchakatika, B. Ritusamhara, C. Kumarasambhava, D. Mudra Rakshasa. Answer D. Mudra Rakshasa. Who was the first Indian ruler who had territory outside India? Options: A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Kanishka, D. Huvishka. Answer C. Kanishka. Which of the following statement is wrong? Options: A. Sunga dynasty was founded by Pushyamitra. B. Ashoka, the great Mauryan king, died in 332 BC. C. Ashoka invaded the Kalinga in 261 BC. D. Chandragupta Maurya earned the title of the Liberator. Answer B. Ashoka, the great Mauryan king, died in 332 BC. Who among the following was worshipped during early Vedic civilization? Options: A. Varuna, B. Indra, C. Surya, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Where were the hymns of Rigveda composed? Options: A. Punjab, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer A. Punjab. Which among the following is a place in Larkana district of Sindh province in Pakistan? Options given: A. Alampur, B. Harappa, C. Rangapur, D. Mohenjo-daro. Answer D. Mohenjo-daro. What led to the end of Indus Valley civilization? Options given: A. Invasion of Aryans, B. Recurrent floods, C. Earthquakes, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Who was the main male god worshipped by Indus people? Options: A. Lord Shiva, B. Vishnu, C. Brahma, D. Indra. Answer A. Lord Shiva. Which empire lasted the longest among the following? Options: A. The Palas, B. The Pratiharas, C. The Rashtrakutas, D. The Senas. Answer C. The Rashtrakutas. Which of the following statement is wrong? Options: A. Dharmapala was the founder of Pala dynasty. B. Vikramshila University was founded by Dharmapala. C. Bhoja was the founder of Pratihara Empire. D. Krishna III was the last Rashtrakuta king. Answer A. Dharmapala was the founder of Pala dynasty. Who was the ruler of the kingdom between the rivers of Jhelum and Chenab? Options: A. Alexander the Great, B. Darius III, C. King Porus, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer D. C. The King Porus. Who was the last Hindu emperor of northern India? Options A. Harsha, B. Pulakeshin II, C. Rajyavardhana, D. Skandagupta. Answer A. Harsha. Which of the following statement is or correct? Options: Pulakeshin I was the first ruler of Chalukyan dynasty. 2. Harshavardhana attacked the Chalukya territory during 608 to 642 AD. 3. Vikramaditya I died in 608 AD. Answer B. Only one. Pulakeshin I was the first ruler of the Chalukya dynasty is correct. Harihara Raya I, who ruled the Vijayanagara Empire for the period 1336 to 1356, belonged to which dynasty? Options A. Sangama dynasty, B. Salva dynasty, C. Tuluva dynasty, D. Aravid dynasty. Answer A. Sangama dynasty. During the Gupta Empire, the term Uparikara was used for options: A. An extra tax levied on all subjects, B. Periodic supplies of roads, firewood, flowers, etc. C. It was a voluntary offering by people to the king, D. King's customary share of the production, normally amounting to 1 by 6th of the production. Answer A. An extra tax levied on all subjects. Chola Empire was divided into options: A. Mandalams Nadu, Kurram and Valanadu, B. Mandalams Nadu, Malkand and Avanti, C. Mandalams Bhumi, Avanti and Valanadu, D. Mandalams Nadu, Kurram and Malkand. Answer A. Mandalams Nadu, Kurram and Valanadu. For which period did Harihararaya II of Sangam dynasty ruled the Vijayanagaram Empire? Options A. 1446 to 1465, B. 1485 to 1491, C. 1491 to 1505, D. 1377 to 1404. Answer D. 1377 to 1404 AD. The traces of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas are found in options: A. Vedic text, B. Buddha text, C. Jaina text, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Which one of the following was the capital of Kosala? Options: A. Sravasti, B. Shaktimati, C. Kaushambi, D. Indraprastha. Answer A. Sravasti. Champa was the capital of which one of the following Mahajanapadas in ancient India? Options: A. Anga, B. Magadha, C. Vajji, D. Kasi. Answer A. Anga. Which of the following statement is wrong? Options: A. Sunga dynasty was founded by Pushyamitra, B. Ashoka the great Mauryan king died in 332 BC, C. Ashoka invaded the Kalinga in 261 BC, D. Chandragupta Maurya earned the title of the liberator. Answer B. Ashoka the great Mauryan king died in 332 BC. Which of the following statement is not correct? Options: A. Veda Samaj was established in Madras in 1864. B. By drawing inspiration from the Brahma Samaj, the Veda Samaj was established. C. An outstanding leader of the reform movements in Western India was Kandukuri Vireshalingam. D. Veda Samaj also condemned superstitions and rituals of Orthodox Hinduism and propagated belief in one supreme God. Answer C. An outstanding leader of the reform movements in Western India was Kandukuri Vireshalingam was wrong. Where was the Devadasi system prevailed in India? Options: A. Southern India, B. Northern India, C. East India, D. West India. Answer A. Southern India. Who advocated the concept of one caste, one religion, and one God for all? Options: A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Narayana Guru, C. Periyar, D. Swami Vivekananda. Answer B. Narayan Guru. Who founded the Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam? Options A. Dayananda Saraswati. B. Periyar Swami. C. Narayan Guru. D. Gopal Harideshmukh. Answer C. Which among the following is not a correct pair? Options A. Ellora Caves, Rashtrakuta Rollers. B. Mahabalipuram, Pallava Rollers. C. Khajuraho, Chandalas. D. Elephanta Caves, Maurya Era. Answer D. Elephanta Caves, Maurya Era is not correct. On which of the following systems of Hindu philosophy Shankaracharya wrote commentary in 19th century AD? Options A. Sankhya, B. Vaisheshika, C. Yoga, D. Uttamimamsa. Answer D. Uttamimamsa. The 8th century tripartite power struggle was among which of the following? Options A. Cholas, Rashtrakutas and Yadavas. B. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Pandyas. C. Cholas, Pandyas and Chalukyas. D. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Yadavas. Answer B. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Pandyas. Which among the following is not correct? Options A. The capital of Pandyas was Madurai. B. The capital of Cheras was Vanchi. C. Capital of the Videha kingdom Midila. D. Capital of Gahadwal dynasty Kanas. Answer C. Capital of the Videha kingdom Midila is not correct. Which king started the organization of Kumbh Fair at Allahabad? Options A. Harshavardhana. B. Dhruvasena 1. C. Narasimhavarman. D. Akbar. Answer A. Harshavardhana. Upanishads are books on. Options A. Politics. B. Philosophy. C. Medicine. D. Social life. Answer B. Philosophy. Bimbisara was the founder of which one of the following dynasties? Options A. Nanda. B. Haryanka. C. Maurya. D. Shunga. Right answer B. Haryanka. A Janapadin was the dash of a Janapada. Options A. Servant. B. Minister. C. Army general. D. Ruler. Right answer D. Ruler. Ruler of a Janapada. Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? Options given: A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen sulfide. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. Right answer option B. Hydrogen sulfide. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Options A. Phosphorus. B. Bromine. C. Chlorine. D. Helium. Right answer option B. Bromine. Chlorophyll is a naturally occurring chelate compound in which central metal is. Options A. Copper. B. Magnesium. C. Iron. D. Calcium. Answer option B. Magnesium. Which of the following is used in pencils? Options A. Graphite. B. Silicon. C. Charcoal. D. Phosphorus. Right answer option A. Graphite. Which of the following metal forms an amalgam with other metals? Options A. Tin. B. Mercury. C. Lead. D. Zinc. Right answer option B. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is. Options A. Nitrogen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Oxygen. Right answer option A. Nitrogen. Washing soda is the common name for. Options A. Sodium carbonate. B. Calcium bicarbonate. C. Sodium bicarbonate. D. Calcium carbonate. Right answer option A. Sodium carbonate. Quartz crystals normally used in quartz clocks, etc. is chemically. Options A. Silicon dioxide, B. Germanium oxide, C. A mixture of germanium oxide and silicon dioxide, D. Sodium silicate. The right answer is option A. Silicon dioxide. Which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? Options A. Methane, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer option D. Hydrogen. Bromine is A. Option A. Black solid, B. Red liquid, C. Colorless gas, D. Highly inflammable gas. Right answer option B. Red liquid. The hardest substance available on earth is options A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Platinum. Right answer option C. Diamond. The variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is options A. Bitumen, B. Anthracite, C. Lignite, D. Peat. Right answer option D. Peat. Tetraethyl lead is used as options A. Painkiller, B. Fire extinguisher, C. Mosquito repellent, D. Petrol additive. Right answer option D. Petrol additive. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is option A. Argon, B. Xenon, C. Helium, D. Krypton. Right answer option C. Helium. The gases used in different types of welding would include options A. Oxygen and hydrogen, B. Oxygen, hydrogen, acetylene and nitrogen, C. Oxygen, acetylene and argon, D. Oxygen and acetylene. The right answer is option D. Oxygen and acetylene. The property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called options A. Osmosis, B. Deliquescence, C. Efflorescence, D. Desiccation. The right answer is option B. Deliquescence. In which of the following activities silicon carbide is used? Options: making cement and glass, B. Disinfecting water of ponds, C. Cutting very hard substances, D. Making casts for statues. The right answer is option C. Cutting very hard substances. The average salinity of seawater is options A 3%, B 3.5%, C 2.5%, D 2%. The right answer is option B 3.5%. When an iron nail gets rusted, iron oxide is formed. Option without any A without any change in the weight of the nail, B with a decrease in the weight of the nail, C with increase in the weight of the nail, D without any change in color or weight of the nail. The right answer is option C with increase in the weight of the nail. Galvanized iron sheets have a coating of options A lead, B chromium, C zinc, D tin. The right answer is option C zinc. Among the various allotropes of carbon, options A coke is the hardest, graphite is the softest, B diamond is the hardest, coke is the softest, C diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest, D diamond is the hardest, lamp black is the softest. The right answer is option C. Diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest. The group of metals iron, cobalt, nickel may best called as options A. Transition metals, B. Main group metals, C. Alkali metals, D. Rare metals. The right answer is option A. Transition metals. Heavy water is options A. Deuterium oxide, B. pH 7, C. Rainwater, D. Tritium oxide. The right answer is option A. Deuterium oxide. The chemical ethyl mercaptan added to the otherwise odorless LPG cooking gas for imparting a detectable smell to the gas is a compound of. Options given: A. Bromine, B. Fluorine, C. Chlorine, D. Sulfur. The answer is option D. Sulfur. Non-stick cooking utensils are coated with options: A. Teflon, B. PVC, C. Black paint, D. Polystyrene. The right answer is option A. Teflon. Monazite is an ore of options: A. Titanium, B. Zirconium, C. Iron, D. Thorium. The right answer is option D. Thorium. Carbon, diamond, and graphite are together called options: A. Allotropes, B. Isomers, C. Isomorphs, D. Isotopes. The right answer is option A. Allotropes. Potassium nitrate is used in options: A. Medicine, B. Fertilizer, C. Salt, D. Glass. The right answer is option B. Fertilizer. Permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of options given: A. Sodium carbonate, B. Alum, C. Potassium permanganate, D. Lime. The right answer is option A. Sodium carbonate. Soda water contains options: A. Carbonic acid, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrous acid. The right answer is option C. Carbon dioxide. The most important ore of aluminium is options: A. Galena, B. Calamine, C. Calcite, D. Bauxite. The right answer option D. Bauxite. Which of the following is in liquid form at room temperature? Options given: A. Lithium, B. Sodium, C. Francium, D. Cerium. Answer option C. Francium. Sodium metal is kept under options: A. Petrol, B. Alcohol, C. Water, D. Kerosene. Right answer option D. Kerosene. Which of the following are the ingredients of gunmetal? Options given: A. Iron, zinc, titanium, B. Iron, tin, C. Iron, brass, tin, D. Copper, tin. The right answer is option D. Copper, tin. From which mineral is radium obtained? Options given: A. Rutile, B. Hematite, C. Limestone, D. Pitch blende. The right answer is option D. Pitch blende. What is laughing gas? Options: A. Nitrous oxide, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Hydrogen peroxide. The right answer is option A. Nitrous oxide. Why are actinides called actinides? Actinides are the 15 elements with atomic numbers from 89 to 103. They are named after the first element in the series, actinium. The actinides group includes mostly man-made elements with only a few exceptions such as uranium and thorium. The two elements that are frequently used for making transistors are options: A. Boron and aluminum, B. Silicon and germanium, C. Iridium and tungsten, D. Niobium and columbium. The right answer is option B. Silicon and germanium. In fireworks, the green flame is produced because of options given: A. Sodium, B. Barium, C. Mercury, D. Potassium. The right answer option B. Barium. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding options given: A. Chlorine, B. Washing soda, C. Potassium permanganate. D. Bleaching powder. The right answer is option B. Washing soda. LPG consists of mainly options given: A. Methane, ethane, and hexane. B. Ethane, hexane, and nonane. C. Methane, hexane, and nonane. D. Methane, butane, and propane. Now the right answer is option D. Methane, butane, and propane. Which of the following doesn't contain a coinage metal? Options given: A. Silver and gold. B. Zinc and gold. C. Copper and silver. D. Copper and gold. The right answer is option B. Zinc and gold. Which metal pollute the air of a big city? Options: A. Copper. B. Chromium. C. Lead. D. Cadmium. The right answer option C. Lead. Bell metal is an alloy of options: A. Nickel and copper. B. Zinc and copper. C. Brass and nickel. D. Tin and copper. The right answer is option D. Tin and copper. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because options: A. It has high specific heat. B. It has no color. C. It has a high dipole moment. D. It has a high boiling point. The right answer is option C. It has a high dipole moment. The main constituents of pearls are options: A. Calcium oxide and ammonium chloride. B. Calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. C. Argonite and concholine. D. Ammonium sulfate and sodium carbonate. The right answer is option B. Calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Amalgams are options: A. Highly colored alloys. B. Alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents. C. Alloys which have great resistance to abrasion. D. Alloys which contain carbon. The right answer is option B. Alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents. Which of the following is the lightest metal? Options given: A. Mercury. B. Lithium. C. Lead. D. Silver. The right answer is option B. Lithium. The language spoken by the people by Pakistan is options given: A. Hindi. B. Palawan. C. Sindhi. D. Nauran. The right answer is option C. Sindhi. The world's largest desert is options given: A. Thar. B. Kalahari. C. Sahara. D. Sonoran. The right answer option C. Sahara. The Central Rice Research Station is situated in options: A. Chennai. B. Cuttack. C. Bangalore. D. Quillan. The right answer is option B. Cuttack. Country that has the highest in barley production. The options: A. China. B. India. C. Russia. D. France. The right answer is option C. Russia. The first chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission was. The options given are: A. Dr. C.V. Raman. Dr. H.J. Baba. C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. The right answer is option B. Dr. H.J. Baba. DDT was invented by options: A. Mosley. B. Rudolph. C. Carl Benz. D. Dalton. The right answer is option A. Mosley. Which is considered as the biggest port of India? Options: A. Calcutta. B. Cochin. C. Chennai. D. Mumbai. The right answer is option D. Mumbai. Sharavati project is in options: A. Orissa. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. The right answer is option D. Karnataka. The country that was called as Land of Rising Sun. Options A. Russia. B. Japan. C. Korea. D. Holland. Answer option B. Japan. The famous integral coach factory ICF for the manufacture of railway coaches are situated at options A. Kolkata. B. Borivali. C. Perambur. D. Chittaranjan. The right answer is option C. Perambur. The headquarters of the Coffee Board of India is options A. Mysore. B. Kolkata. C. Bangalore. D. Cochin. Option C. Bangalore. The largest freshwater lake in India is options given A. Pulicat Lake. B. Veeranam Lake. C. Chilka Lake. D. Ular Lake. The right answer is option D. Ular Lake. Name the Governor General who abolished sati in 1829. Options given are A. Lord Clive. B. Lord Curzon. C. Lord William Bentinck. D. Lord Dalhousie. The right answer is option C. Lord William Bentinck.